global cuisine. Thank you for joining me today. Today I'm going to show you how to make fried chicken, which is crispy on the outside and very juicy on the inside. If this is what you're looking for, please don't go anywhere and I'll be back and show you how to do this step by step. Thank you. You need to marinate your chicken with salt, black pepper, paprika, and powder garlic. Give it a good mix, cover it, and leave it in the fridge for up to 24 hours. If you would like to cook your chicken the same day, then at least marinate your chicken for 3 hours for best results. Hi, so we need about 3 eggs for this, and our chicken already have salt in it, but I'll just put like a half a teaspoon of salt, and then this is rosemary, so about a teaspoon of rosemary on this. A little bit paprika, about 2 teaspoons, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper, about 2 teaspoons of granulated garlic, and then I'm going to put 2 cups of buttermilk. If you don't have buttermilk, or you cannot find it in your grocery store, you can get some milk, like a cup of milk, and put a few drops of lemon in it and set it aside, and after 15 minutes it's going to turn to buttermilk. So it's very easy to make that. So you're gonna give a good mix, whisk everything together. Three chickens here, and then first flour, 3 cups of flour, and I added some salt to this. So only salt and flour for the first one, and then I showed how to do this one earlier. And then this one is 3 cups of flour with paprika, powder garlic, salt, and a little bit of rosemary. So I mixed all together. We're gonna put our oil, and this is canola oil, or you can use vegetable oil as well. Make sure your oil is hot enough, and if it's not hot, your chicken is going to turn out soggy, so you don't want that. And to test if your oil is ready, all you need to do is sprinkle a little bit of your flour, and when you see bubbles like that, that means, do you see bubbles? That means your oil is ready for your chicken. Your temperature should be low to medium, and you will cook this for a good 10 to 12 minutes. Hi, while our chicken is getting ready, I'm making a very simple salad. And here I just washed organic spinach, organic arugula, and organic kale. And then I'm just gonna add it to my bowl. And then add tomato and cucumber. And I have black olive, sliced black olive, and I have roasted bell pepper. So I'm just gonna add it here and give it a very good toss. And there you go. You have your salad with your chicken. Some paper towel on my tray, and I just put the cooling racks on top of it, so that way the excess oil is going to drip on the paper towel. Welcome back, and here's our beautiful chicken, fried chicken, and our salad, of course. So let's try and see how we did. Let me get a big piece because I'm hungry. And you see, it's a good thing. You see how tender this is and crispy on the outside. So I like to have my chicken with hot sauce. Let's have a little bit of hot sauce on this. And of course, I'm gonna have a little bit of salad. Our salad looks good also. And let's try this. It's very juicy on the inside and very crispy on the outside. Tastes really good and it's very moist. Tastes very, very delicious. Need to try this recipe and let me know about your experiences, and please comment below and share your thoughts, or if you have any suggestions or anything, please let me know. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.